Archaeological finds from the prehistoric layers at Kaledo show specialized craftsmen workshops functioned here until the end of the 5th millennium BC, turning out bone artifacts, decorated pottery, and the production of copper artifacts. A small temple in the central part of the settlement became a pagan religious center in the 3rd century. A large shrine consisting of numerous sacrificial hearths was also registered, with dedications to a great number of deities of the Greco-Roman, Eastern, and local pantheon. The Roman fortification was built in the middle of the 2nd century AD with the functions of guarding and controlling the roads in the region. A 2.45 meter thick wall, further strengthened by 2 square towers, and a gateway tower were built in the northern part of the fortress. During the 4th century, the pagan temples ceased to exist. The fortifications were renovated. In the 6th century, the fortified territory was built over a network of linear structures divided by narrow streets. Mudstone buildings were then erected as well. Between the 4th and 5th centuries, after destruction caused by acts of God and barbarian invasions, the fortress was restored and rebuilt on several occasions. The proto-Bulgarian fortress existed throughout the 12th to 14th centuries. Stone structures were made of broken and river stones and ashlars from ancient buildings, bonded by white mortar. The fortification was destroyed and abandoned after the Ottoman invasion in the Bulgarian lands. The ruins of a medieval fortress, the fortification from the late antiquity and the Roman times, all preserved to a height of 6 meters, can be seen today. Below them are the burnt-out remains of a Thracian settlement and 2 prehistoric settlements.